I'm starting with my skincare routine today, and today I'm using the Clinque ID moisturizer, and just to add a little bit of glow to my skin, I'm using the Valjean Labs serum. These are available at your local TJ Maxx. They are in the skincare aisle. This one is the glow one. Then I'm going to use the hydrate serum, also from TJ Maxx. Then I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Cooling Gel. It doesn't do anything, but I like the way it feels on my eyes. And for brows, I'm using my Colorpop brow pencil in the shade Black and Brown. I'm doing a simple look today, so I wanted my brows to be a little soft. To carve out my brows, I'm using my Milani concealer in the shade Natural Sand. For primer, I'm using my Touch and Soul No Pore Blim Primer. And for foundation, I'm using my Milani foundation, and I am in the shade Nutmeg. And then I'm going to go back into that same Milani concealer, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose and blend it out. And to set that concealer, I'm using my Mercier translucent setting powder. And to set my foundation, I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. And now that we are almost ready to go, I added my lashes off camera. These are from the Makeup Shack in the style Nova. I'm going to add a little bit of warmth to my skin, and I'm going to use the Fenty Bronz'r, and I'm just going to add that to my transition area on my eyes. And as you can see, I did not add liner. And I'm going to go into the black Raidiance contour palette, and I'm just going to use that sculpt shade just to carve out my nose. And I'm going to add that Fenty bronzer on my cheeks as well. And as a blush today, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Penny For You Dots. And for highlight, I'm using No Money and Afternoon Snack. Just adding it to all the places that I like to highlight, as well as my brow bone. And then for lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Crayon Case Bare Liner, and then go in with the Crayon Case Liquid Lipstick in Marie. And then I go over that with a gloss, which is called Private Party, also by the Crayon Case. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Diamond Veil in How Many Carats, and I'm just going to add that to my shoulder blades. I tried to scrunch up my shoulder to show my collarbone, but I'm too chunky, I don't have that. But this is the final look. I hope that you have enjoyed this video today. Also, like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family. I would love to have them as subscribers as well.